In this Motivational Makeup Monday, I am talking about hormonal acne. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Hannah, and I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about hormonal acne in this video. I also show you how I did this makeup look. So if you want to see how I did that, make sure you keep on watching. I don't know how I feel with like this tank top on underneath this shirt, but it's what we're going with today. I already have my face moisturized. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So far of using this, I really like it. And I'm going to do my face makeup first. I'm going in with the Dr. Brandt Needles No More ID Puffing Gel. I haven't totally planned out this look, but I think I'm just going to do, I would say like a natural eye look, but we'll see. Maybe not anything super dramatic, but we'll see. Okay, so welcome to this Motivational Makeup Monday. It has been a while since I have filmed one of those. Just kind of moving my brushes forward a little bit. Going to mix the Naked Skin, or no, I keep on calling this Naked Skin. This is the Stay Naked foundation from Urban Decay. I have the shade 20N and 30N, 20NN and 30NN. I'm gonna use mostly 20NN and then like maybe put a little bit of 30NN. I was going to film a skincare video. I'm just mixing my two colors on the back of my hand. I was going to film a skincare video this week because I've been thinking about it since the end of last week. For a point of reference, I'm filming this Tuesday, October 13th, and I'm planning on it going up the following Monday. So, you know, I was gonna film a skincare video because I was thinking like, oh, I haven't filmed a skincare video in a while. My skin looked pretty good. Then my hormonal acne kicked in. I'm not a skincare expert, but I am pretty certain it's hormonal acne. And then I mentioned this a little bit on my Instagram story about having hormonal acne and that kind of thing, and how I don't want to, here's my like thought process. I didn't want to film a skincare video whenever my skin looked really bad, because I think the last time that I filmed a skincare video was at least a year ago, if not close to 2 years ago. So, you know, like I don't film them super often, and I didn't want that to be representative of my skin for the next year or two. Like, this is a look inside of my brain and how I overthink things. If you heard that, okay. I don't think you can see him, but Milo is in here while I'm doing my makeup. That is a look inside of my brain and how I overthink things. This foundation does a pretty good job of covering up my skin. Oh, also I did kind of want to show you more of a close-up of my hormonal acne before I covered it up, but I did start filming without foundation on, so you could see my hormonal acne then. It's just, and here's the thing. If you have hormonal acne, you do not have to cover it up, but it's just what I choose to do because it is kind of an insecurity of mine. And I don't know how common hormonal acne is, but maybe it's pretty common. I honestly don't know, but I have it, and I'm just not a fan of it, especially since my skin has finally started to look better. You know, I'm 26, so it's finally starting to look better, but I still do get hormonal acne. So yeah, I still want it to be authentic, so this is me showing you authentically that I do have hormonal acne. I know it's like kind of covered up now, but like I said, you saw it at the beginning. Oh, this is the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm using the Rare Beauty, I think this is a concealer brush. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's from Rare Beauty. Also, can we just talk about overthinking? Like, I know it's not beneficial, but I seem to not be able to help it. Like, it really bothers me. Once again, you know, I'm not like a mental health expert, or I'm not like an expert professional or anything like that, but I do overthink, and I'm just not a fan of it. It's something that I'm kind of working on. To pull this all together and to make this a Motivational Makeup Monday, I just want to encourage you to not be hard on yourself if you do have hormonal acne, because as you saw, I have hormonal acne as well, and like I'm 26 and I still do get breakouts. I just kept looking at my skin more and more and like disliking it more and more, or like disliking the discoloration and the acne, and that's just not good. And I know that I'm covering it up now, but like I said, it does give me more confidence, but also like it's not good to just stare at yourself in the mirror and like just focus on, you know, the hormonal acne. That was the Benefit Buoyant concealer that I was using. Now I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Light baking powder to set my under eyes. So yeah, I love pampering my skin and skincare. Like I love skincare, but I think I just need to accept the fact that I am probably going to get hormonal acne. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Powder. Also, I wanted to film this video, I'll show you in a second, because my nails are actually painted and I think they still look pretty good. I am filming this on Tuesday and I painted my nails Saturday night, and now I did have to repaint this index finger last night because it was chipping and like bothering me, and I've gotten like small chips like right here, so I did repaint this with clear polish and I did repaint this nail, but otherwise like I think that they look pretty good. So like that was also, not gonna lie, like a motivation for wanting to film a video. I'm going to be using this Bronzed in Paradise palette. Like even while I'm filming this zit right here is bothering me, but it's there for now, so we're just gonna move on. I'm just using like the second shade in here. So I wanted to film because my nails looked nice, but also I wanted to do another makeup tutorial because I really liked the last makeup tutorial that I posted for you guys. If you haven't seen that yet, I will link it for you. I love this little trio. I got this in a BoxyCharm, this little trio of brushes. I use these quite frequently. I'm now going to be using the complexion brush to apply my Tarte blush. I kind of think I might want to just do eyeliner and mascara today. Just really change it up. I haven't used the Ofra Star Island highlighter in a while, so I'm going to be using that one. Oh, I haven't done my brows yet. Like I think it was in that video, that most recent makeup video that I posted, where I said like I don't have a set in my routine whenever I do my brows. So sometimes I almost forget, or sometimes, I don't know. This is the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I'm going to be using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Stay Spray to set my face. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. I was going to just go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, but I guess I will show you applying my lip color as well. I've already started applying the lip liner here. I'm going to be using, I'm almost out of this one, but I do have a backup thankfully. The Urban Decay 1993 lip pencil. And this is the Urban Decay liquid lipstick in the shade Amulet. Wonder how it would look whenever I apply this Becca lip gloss over it. Would that look bad? I mean, it feels more moisturizing. I hadn't used that Ofra highlighter in a while and it is really pretty. Just to remind you, I just want to encourage you to not be hard on yourself if you do have hormonal acne, and also I'm telling myself this as well, because even while filming this video, and it might just be because it's kind of like the point of this video, it's like emphasized more. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you also liked this video, I recommend clicking right here and watching the other makeup tutorial that I was telling you about. I had a lot of fun with that one as well. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to stick around and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.